Hi everyone, and welcome to Tech Solutions Hub YouTube channel. It's your friend and technology instructor, Tech Wizard, and this channel is passionate about helping people who are blind or visually impaired to live more independent and fulfilling lives through technology by sharing and uploading the latest news and updates on technology for the blind. From time to time, you will be hearing different voices on the channel who will be covering everything from new assistive devices to accessible apps and softwares. These personalities will also be sharing tips and tricks on how to use technology to your advantage. We will be so glad if you can subscribe to the channel. I hope you'll find our videos helpful and informative. Please feel free to leave comments, share the videos, and suggest topics for future videos. Together, we can make technology more accessible for everyone.
Hi guys, you are welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech Solution Hub. In this tutorial, I'll be sharing a website with you that you can use to convert your text to audio in 28 languages. Without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the business. So the website is ttsmp3.com. ttsmp3.com. The link to the website will be in the description for this video. First is to open the link with your browser. So I've opened it here.
ttsmp3.com logo link.
Okay, that's their logo. I'm moving forward.
Free text-to-speech and text to MP3 for US English Edit 1.
I'm moving forward.
Easily convert your US English text into professional speech for free. Perfect for e-learning, presentations, YouTube videos, and increasing the accessibility of your website. Our voices pronounce your text in their own language using a specific accent. Plus, these texts can be downloaded as MP3. In some languages, multiple speakers are available.
Alright.
Your text box.
So this is where I'm going to paste the text that I would like to convert to audio into. So let me paste it.
Functions menu. Clear. Select. Copy. Append. Paste.
So
Showing English. US. QWERTY. Keyboard.
let me show you what I have in the edit field.
Hello guys, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to convert text to audio using ttsmp3.com website. Text box. Editing.
So that's what I have there. If I move forward,
US English /Sally menu pop-up button.
so this is where I'm going to choose the voice that I would like to use. It is Sally that is there by default. To listen to the text that you just paste with the voice that is selected, you move forward to read button and click on it.
Read button.
Hello guys, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to convert text to audio using ttsmp3.com website.
Okay, that is the voice of Sally. Let's say I want to change from Sally to another one.
US English /Sally menu pop-up button.
So you click on this, move forward.
US English /Sally checked.
Okay,
US English /Ivy checked.
this is Ivy,
US English /Joey checked.
this is Joey. So let me click on this.
US English /Joey menu pop-up button.
So I will move forward to read button.
Read button.
So I'm clicking on it.
Hello guys, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to convert text to audio using ttsmp3.com website.
Okay, that is another voice. Now I want to download what I just convert to audio now. I want to download it to my phone storage. So you move forward beside read button.
Download as MP3 button.
This is download as MP3. I'm clicking on this. So after downloading the file, open your file explorer and go to your download folder. I will show you what will be the name of the file now. Let's move to my file explorer.
Home screen tool. Envision. ETL. File Manager. File Manager Plus. File Manager Plus.
So I'm in my File Explorer now. Let me go to
Navigation door button.
let me go to my internal storage.
File Manager button. More options button. Main storage 20.
Then let me look for download folder.
Crash. Select CSR. Select DCIFAI. Select Documents 3 item. Select Download 46 items 8/17/2023.
So I'm clicking on this folder to open my download folder.
0_audio_.
So I've opened the folder. I'm having a lot of files here in my download folder. Let me scroll down and show you what will be the name of the text that we just convert to audio.
TTSMP3.com_voice text _2023 -8-17_11_17_38.mp349.42 kbh/17/2023.
So this is the text that I just convert to audio. Let me play it and see what we have there.
Hello guys, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to convert text to audio using TTSMP3.com website.
If you can recall, that is the text that I paste into the edit field in the other time. So that's all about this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you are watching us for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. See you in the next video. Stay out of trouble.